What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the AU build, and this is unnecessary. And today we have got number 3 of unnecessary parts for the AU, and this is an eBay special new headlights. Yeah, these really didn't need to be purchased, but why not? These were, I did clean these up before in the previous vlog, and they're okay, but they're not the best. They've got some big scratches all through them. They still are a little bit cloudy, so these are like, I think they're like 160 bucks plus shipping or something, so we'll chuck them on. This should really clean it up. I'm also gonna do the driver's side speaker. That's blown as well, because of course it is. And we're gonna show you what the rear tail lights, nope. And also we are gonna show you the back end of this car, because we did change the rear lights already, and I'll fill you in on how that went and what it looks like now. Big improvement. But anyways, Kaido, let's get into it, eh? Up the AU?
Up the AU.
To the camera.
Up the AU.
And like this.
Up the AU.
Let's go. Now, first off, we will have to take these old headlights out, obviously. Pop the bonnet. Get a look at this old green top again. Shoo, man. It's looking good. This thing, it's actually cleaned up so well, and
Dad, you have that one.
yeah, we have that one. It's really good. I'm stoked with the way this engine bay actually looks. Besides maybe the coolant housing, you know, if we get enough cash and time, we will definitely try and change that out. But besides that, you know, this thing's looking schmick. Really is. So, to get these headlights off, we're gonna have to, unfortunately, I think we gotta take this grill out again.
So you have 2 floors.
Yeah, we will. So we'll take out the honeycomb grill, which we installed on the last vlog, and we'll pull these out. Yeah, a couple of simple 10 mil bolts. Let's get it. One down, one more to go, and yeah, these are actually kind of a pain to take out, so be wary when you do this yourself. And here they are. Just look at that, mate. It just really does give it such a cleaner look now. Again, like the old ones actually weren't terrible, and I don't know if you can see how good these new ones are, but they are just like glass, mate. You know, we can just, hello. Yeah. So when you see this thing, you know, we've still got to touch up some of the paint. It's getting a bit dark now here, you can't see it, but just around here there's a few little scratches. If that was tidied up, lowered, you know, we got that honeycomb grill in there now. It's looking good. It's coming together. It is coming together. And again, just coming to the back, I'll show you again what we've done here. And these standard lights, you know, just look way better. They do, you know. Not bloody bad back here either. We got to get that exhaust changed. Hopefully doing it, you know, this week or next week. Now, do not forget, I have just started the new merch. So we got the shirts, We got the hoodies. The site is on live now. We've got Bear Designs, LSA The World Designs, Typhoons, a lot of cool shirts. And if you guys have any just suggestions, let me know in the comments, and I will try and get that on the next drop as soon as possible. We have already had people say Boss 5.4s, the Coyote Miami engine. I might do that next time. So, and I'm really happy with how this car is turning out. Oh, one more thing, which I don't know if I've mentioned to you guys before. I think I have said this, just in case. I'm getting lost. I'm getting lost in the vlog, so I apologize. Let's see. Don't know. Let me draw it this way. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. A brand newie in the AU. Have you seen a better headliner? Oh, we'll fix that. I might have to fix a little dome light, but the dome light's in as well. It works. Yeah, we got the sun visors here working. Man, it's clean in here. Got the AU XR interior. We still got to give this a detail. I have really been using this car as my daily, just because want to keep the F6 as low as K's as we can, as it's racking them up there. It's already at, I think, 212,000 kilometers, and we're going to be doing a service on this very, very soon. It's just about hit 5,000 K's since I did it last time, so I might make a video about it if you guys want to see that. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, it really is coming along, this car. I absolutely love it. I don't want to give it away. I already do not want to give this thing away. Yeah. You're gonna see more AU content on this channel. I guarantee you that, because as soon as we give this away, which is gonna be very soon, I think we're looking probably end of September, we should have this thing, should have found a winner by then. Now remember that you can still get in to win this thing. All you gotta do is donate to the AU fund, or even donate just in any super chat or on the PayPal. Just any contribution, even if you donated a part to this car, you're on the list. And you know, as we progress these things and we get more sponsorships and more monetary value into the channel, I'm hopefully going to be able to do this totally from the channel. Like, I'm hoping we can do that very soon. But for now, I really am reliant on you guys. And the guys, you've made this happen. Like, totally, the subscriber community on my channel is just so good. This is all because of you guys. And whoever gets this, I really hope it goes to a good home, because it is a great vehicle. I absolutely love this thing. So much fun to drive. Now, I still got to change the driver's side speaker, so I'm going to rip that door side off right now. That is the old speaker full of rust, falling apart. Yeah, nasty. Alright guys, so we have got the speaker done in there. I'm just turning the volume up. So much better. We of course got to be on the NCS so we don't get copyright infringements. I know my fellow content creators understand that much. But yeah guys, that's it. That's another vlog done. The lights are looking good, the speakers are in. I'm also thinking of another side project, which I might do tomorrow or the next day, is sand down these and give these a bit of black spray paint, because yeah, they got a few scratches and look a bit ratty, so that would clean it up as well. But that's it guys. There she is, the AU. What do you reckon? money well spent on these headlights, or should we just left the ones that they were in? I don't know. We can only afford to do so much for this thing, and we've got the exhaust literally in the back corner of the garage there, just gonna go on very, very soon. And pretty much just waiting on the rear lowering springs, and we're gonna be pretty much done. We're gonna send this over to our mate, the detailer, who's gonna do a full magic whatever he can do to it, and that's it. So if you guys want to win the merch pack that the previous video was meant to get, nobody got both correct times, so nobody actually won. So if someone can guess the correct time that this exact AU LPG green top did the 0 to 100 from the Draggy, you're gonna go away with that hat and the merch pack stickers and all that. So put your guesses in down below. I want to see lots of comments and lots of you guys being engaged with this video. And yeah, that is it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the vlog and what we've been doing to this car slowly over time. We're really close to giving it away, and I'm super excited to do that. So thanks for watching again, and we will see you on the next video.